everyone, what is up to all of you? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you coming through, hanging out with me for however long this video is gonna be, but make sure to stay to the end to watch it all the way through. And I want to say, before I even get into the rest of the video, thank you all so much for checking out my latest video. I really appreciate it, and you all really surprised me. And if you're not subscribed here to the channel, make sure to do so. New videos uploaded every Tuesday, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to lock in and join in. So with that said, let's now get into the rest of the video. You know, if you love calligraphy and want to turn your designs into stickers, you're in the right place. Because today I'm going to show you exactly how to take your handwritten calligraphy, digitize it, and turn it into stickers. You could sell it or you could use it for yourself. With all that said, let's go ahead and get in. In this part of the video, I'm just going to show you a completed piece, but you know, you could go into it, and if you need to, you could clean it up and digitize the work. And that is all in how you want the final piece to look. And if you come to a part where, like for example, me with this piece, I'm just going to show you how I would export it as a design to have it created in, well, not created, have it turned into a sticker. And if you're using Procreate just like this is, you're going to export your file. So I would hit the gear icon up here, and then I would hit JPEG. So therefore it's a photo. You could even, I'm just trying to show you the basics to where you don't have to think too much of it. All right, so next thing you want to do, you want to clean up and digitize your artwork. And this program that I'm using here is Procreate. And I have this piece pretty much how I would like it to look as a sticker, and even showing some of the imperfections here. You could go in and clean them, little things like this here, but the main focus is that for me, I like it to look hand-drawn, showing those slight imperfections, or to me is what gives it character. But that is just all in my personal taste. And even this brush here, you see all these different textures and lightnesses and darknesses throughout the whole word. And once you have your piece to a level that you enjoy it and or like it, you're going to hit the gear icon, and you could even check your canvas information. And you see the DPI right here is 132. The one that you always want to make sure, you want to make sure that the resolution is at least 300 DPI. So what I will do, I will copy, matter of fact, let me make sure I get the right layers. I group them, and I will just create a new one. You see here that I have for print. I'll print that, well, tap that, and then I'll just drag all these here. And we'll check the canvas information to make sure that this one, you see this is 300 DPI. Let me zoom in so you can see it. 300 DPI. 300 DPI is the resolution you want it to be for printing. For the sake of this video, I'm showing you in Procreate how to prepare your stuff for printing, because as you may or may not know, Photoshop, well, I just say the Adobe Creative Suite, it is not cheap. And practically unaffordable for the average person, depending where you're at in life. So I'm showing you Procreate on the first generation iPad Pro, and let's continue. So once you have your piece, your calligraphy, lettering, how you would like it to look, also if you have the color elements and extra elements if needed, let's keep you're heading in the right direction. I mean, but this is all stuff that if you need to add more to it, but remember, it's about a sticker, and especially if it's typography, you want it to be actually legible for the common person to read it. And I recommend keeping design simple for sticker printing. And, you know, like I was just saying in clips before, make sure that your file is in high resolution, at least 300 dpi. So in Procreate, it gives you the options. Well, when you go to share, you could do PDF, JPEG, PNG, or TIFF. I would just recommend to keep it simple, do either PDF or JPEG, depending on what sticker service that you're going to be using. And order samples. Once again, order samples. Whenever it comes to choosing a sticker provider, there's tons out there, and some that are better than others. I would say in regards to that, order samples from each of them and decide which one works for you. And when I say works for you, that meets your standards, because it is, from my point of view, what I like to do. I like to sell product that I would personally like to use, and that's it. You now have your calligraphy turned into stickers. You can sell them on Etsy, use them for branding, or just decorate your own stuff. And as you see here, let me make sure that you could, like this one. Oh, the lighting is not good. That's why you can, there we go. Let there be light. Yeah, this sticker here, reach for the stars, be a voice and not an echo. These stickers are ones that I have on my water bottle and that I've had on for a while. This is not one that I made. The ones I just showed you I made, this was a, oh crap. I don't remember where I left off, but yeah, I just showed you the stickers that I have made and have on my water bottle that, as you can see, have held up for a good while. This is not a sticker I made though. And the white one was some text on it, but a design, but it came off, and that's not a sticker I made either. But I just wanted to show you this on my water bottle in regards to how important quality is. Like I was saying, you could sell them on Etsy, use them for branding, or just decorate your own stuff. If you want more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more calligraphy and design content. I'll see you next time. Peace and love. Also, make sure to check out one of the videos that are recommended here by YouTube based off of, I guess, their algorithm. I think that's how it works.